What's up guys, this is xmodder077. In this video we're going to be drawing a Lufthansa A320 NEO. Just before we get started, let's take a look at what's special about today's plane. This A320 NEO I'm drawing today was registered as D-AINA. This plane is the very first A320 NEO delivered to Lufthansa Airlines in 2016. And as you may know, Lufthansa is the launching customer of the A320 NEOs. And thus, this A320 NEO I'm drawing today is the world's very first A320 NEO to ever enter service. So this plane is indeed a very iconic one, and let's get started with the drawing. Compared to the traditional A320s, the A320 NEOs featured a new engine improvement, as well as updated cabin features and improved aerodynamics. With those new features, the A320 NEOs could save up to 20% in fuel burn per seat, 2 tons of additional payload, and 500 nautical miles of increased range. We'll talk a little bit more about the A320 NEO's engines a little bit later, but until then, enjoy the drawing. Now, as I am working on the engines, let's talk a little bit more about the engines of the A320 NEO. So the A320 NEOs could use 2 types of new engines. One option is the Pratt & Whitney PW1000G, and the other option would be the CFM International LEAP 1A engines. Here is yet another interesting fact. The word NEO of the A320 NEO actually stands for New Engine Option. And just a moment earlier, you have already seen those options. The engines on this particular plane are the Pratt & Whitney PW1000Gs. So again, I hope you learned something new. Here we go guys, we're finally done. Let's take a deeper look at this beautiful A320 NEO. First of all, we have the nicely shaded windshields. And moving down, we have the beautiful Lufthansa logos. And the Star Alliance logo as well. And here's a very small detail saying Airbus A320 NEO. Moving upwards are the fonts. And over here is the beautiful PW1000G engine. Moving right, we have the registration. And then there's the beautiful stabilizer. And finally there's my autograph, and then this is the world's first A320 NEO in service. Anyways, if you like this drawing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and drop a like before you step out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again really soon.